Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crepes in two ways. One is plain and one is chocolate. Mother's Day is right around the corner and every upload for this week is going to be a breakfast recipe. And I even have a bonus video coming tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And if you would like more breakfast ideas, I have a breakfast recipes playlist and I'll put a link to that in the description box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. To make the crepe batter, in a medium or large bowl, add in the milk, flour, eggs, melted butter, sugar, which is optional, and salt, and whisk them really well until it's nice and smooth with no lumps. If you like, you can use a blender to get it completely smooth. And if possible, let the batter sit for at least an hour or up to 24 hours before cooking them. Just cover it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge until you're ready to use it. Letting the batter rest before cooking it lets the flour fully absorb the liquid, and it also helps develop the gluten, which results in better texture and structure. To make chocolate crepe batter, just make it the same way as the plain crepe batter, except to add in cocoa powder, and the sugar is not optional in this one. Then just whisk or blend the ingredients until they're smooth. Then to cook the crepes, I'm going to show you a couple gadgets first used to cook crepes, and then I'll show you the traditional methods later. This first one that I have, I just bought so I could show you guys. It's a 12-inch crepe griddle. And it also comes with a spatula and a spreader. Heat the griddle until it's hot, and that's when the ready light turns on. Pour some of the batter onto it. And use the spreader to spread it out very thin, trying to make it in a circle shape. It may take a few tries to get it right. You can always add more batter if there's not enough in any spots. Then cook it until it's golden brown on the bottom. Then carefully slide the spatula underneath and flip it over to cook the other side. Then once this side is cooked, lift it up and place it onto a plate. The next gadget my mom has had for many years. It's the quickest and easiest way to make crepes. First, let it heat up until it's hot. Add the crepe batter into a shallow dish such as a pie pan. And when the light turns on, it's ready. Then you just have to pick it up, turn it upside down, and dip it into the batter. Lift it out and place it back onto the counter and let it cook. Then it's ready when the light turns on. Just pick it up, turn it upside down over the plate, use a knife to loosen the edges and let it fall onto the plate. Now for the traditional method if you don't have either of these gadgets. Heat a non-stick skillet on the stove over medium heat until it's hot. You'll know it's hot when you sprinkle some water on the pan. If it evaporates immediately, it's ready. Then just pour some batter onto the hot pan. Immediately tilt the pan so the batter covers the entire bottom. And add more batter if necessary. Then let it cook until the bottom is golden brown. Then carefully slide the spatula underneath and flip it over and cook the other side. Then transfer it to a plate when it's done. Then just keep cooking the crepes until all the batter is used up. Then what we like to do in my family is to set up a bunch of fillings buffet style so people can choose what to put inside their crepes. Here I have some sliced strawberries, sliced bananas, bacon, scrambled eggs, cream cheese, Nutella, yogurt, whipped cream, blueberries, powdered sugar, blackberry jam, and also some chocolate syrup, which I have off camera. Just use any fillings you like. The choice is totally up to you. Take one of the crepes and add the filling of your choice. Roll it up. And I repeated that again using one of the chocolate crepes. And if you like, you can decorate the outside of it too. And that's how to make crepes in 2 ways. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.